Good morning, students. We can today start types of chemical change from the same chapter of chemistry, that is chemical changes and reactions. In the last videos, we studied characteristics of chemical changes, and these types of chemical change or chemical reactions are very important. So mainly in this class we are going to discuss about four types of chemical reactions. Here we can write reactions also. So we have types of chemical reactions. There are four types. We can start with the first type. First type is combination reaction. Combination reaction. As the name only says, in this reaction there will be combination of two substances to give one product. This definition is also very important, that combination reaction is the reaction where two substances combine to give one substance. So product will be only one. We can write A plus B, for example, gives you a product AB, where the two elements will be combined. Now there can be combination between two elements, can be combination between an element and a compound, and also can be combination between two compounds. But in all these three cases, the result is same, that will be getting only one product. Let us start with an example where one element combines with second element. Example number 1. Carbon plus oxygen. You can find carbon is one element, oxygen the other, where these two will combine and gives one product only, and here the product will be carbon dioxide. We can take one more example like N2 plus H2. Here the two elements are nitrogen and hydrogen that will combine to give one product. Here the product is ammonia gas, NH3, and to balance it we need to write these two numbers. So we have many other examples also where two elements can combine. These are the two important ones. Now we can start with the second type where the combination reaction will take place between a compound and an element. Let us see. For example, PbS plus O2. This is lead sulfide which comes in black in color, where it can combine with oxygen upon heating, and it gives you a new product where you will find the color entirely changes because of the formation of new product, and the product here will be lead sulfate, which is PbSO4. We can balance it by putting 2 here, and the color of this product is white color. So it is clear from this reaction where you can see one compound is reacting with one element, but the product here is only one. Let us see one more example where carbon monoxide reacting with oxygen. This is also an example of a compound combining with an element, and the product will be carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Now the third will be where a compound combines with another compound. Let us see. Example will be NH3, which is one compound, plus HCl, hydrogen chloride gas. Ammonia gas plus hydrogen chloride gas gives a product ammonium chloride, which will be a dense white fumes. It is solid, NH4Cl. And we have already seen this reaction before also, where the two gases combine to give a product in a solid state. That is where change in the state takes place. Once again, ammonia gas, when react with hydrogen chloride gas, gives a product ammonium chloride, which will be white in color. So this is the first type of reaction, which is called combination reaction, and in this type of reaction two substances combine to give only one product. We can now come to the second type of reaction. So coming to the second type of reaction, which will be decomposition reaction. And decomposition reaction, you can say, is entirely opposite to the combination reaction, because in decomposition reaction one reactant or one substance will break to give two or more substances. You can see the second type is decomposition reaction. Where one substance is broken by means of electricity, heat and many other sources, where two or more products can be formed. We can see some examples like copper carbonate. When is heated, copper carbonate original color is green. Now when it decomposes on supplying heat, it gives a black colored solid, which is cupric oxide along with carbon dioxide gas. You can see how the color changes, and this is an indication that the reaction is a chemical change where a new product is being formed. We can take one more example where decomposition of lead nitrate comes. Lead nitrate is a salt with white in color, but when it is decomposed, it decomposes to give a yellow solid of lead monoxide along with a gas, a reddish brown gas, which is nitrogen dioxide, and a colorless gas, oxygen. We can balance this equation using these numbers. So very important observation can be made from this, that when lead nitrate is decomposed, it gives a yellow solid of lead monoxide along with a reddish brown colored gas of nitrogen dioxide. Similarly, we have also seen one more reaction where silver nitrate, after absorbing sunlight, it also decomposes to give the product silver, a reddish brown gas and oxygen gas, a colorless gas. So we have many other examples where you find decomposition reaction taking place, where one substance decomposes to give two or more substances. So your homework for today will be to learn these two types of reaction and also the examples based on this. Thank you.